Do you struggle with confusing English phrasal verbs like give up or run into? Well, what if I told you you can master 50 of them in just one story? Stick with me till the end, and you'll be surprised how easy they become. Story with 50 phrasal verbs. Story with 50 phrasal verbs. Last Saturday, I woke up late because I had stayed up the night before binge watching a series. I quickly got up, put on some clothes, and headed out to pick up groceries. But as soon as I stepped out, it started to pour. I ran back in to grab my umbrella and set off again. On the way, I ran into my old friend Zara. We caught up while walking. Suddenly, she pointed out that my shoelace was untied, so I bent down to fix it. We decided to hang out at the cafe nearby. At the cafe, she brought up a trip we had put off for months. I told her I'd look into it again. We ordered coffee, and I accidentally spilled mine. The waiter kindly wiped it up and offered to bring back another one. Later, Zara's phone ran out of battery, so she asked if she could plug in her charger. We talked over some travel plans and agreed to go over the itinerary next week. As I got up to leave, I realized I had to drop by the pharmacy. So I said goodbye, headed off, and picked up my medicine. Back home, I kicked off my shoes, chilled out, and went over our chat. Again in my mind, I couldn't wait to follow through on our travel plans. That night, I dozed off quickly. It had been a day full of surprises and a lot of phrasal verbs, but hey, I'll never give them up now. Here are the 50 phrasal verbs we used today. How many did you already know? And which one will you start using today? Let's go through them quickly together. Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. Example, I usually wake up at a.m. Stay up, meaning to not go to bed, to remain awake later than usual. Example, he stayed up all night watching movies. Get up, meaning to rise from bed or from a sitting or lying position. Example, she got up as soon as the alarm went off. Put on, meaning to dress in or wear something. Example, he put on his coat and left the house. Head out, meaning to leave a place and begin a journey or outing. Example, we headed out early to catch the train. Pick up, meaning to take or lift something, can also mean to collect something or someone. Example, she picked up her phone from the table. Step out, meaning to leave a place for a short time, usually briefly. Example, he stepped out for some fresh air. Start to pour, meaning to begin raining heavily. Example, as we walked home, it suddenly started to pour. Run back in, meaning to return quickly by running. Example, I forgot my keys and had to run back home. Grab, meaning to take something quickly or suddenly. Example, she grabbed her umbrella before rushing outside. Set off, meaning to begin a journey. Example, we set off early in the morning to avoid traffic. Run into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly. Example, I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. Catch up, meaning to reach the same level or position. Example, I need to catch up on my homework this weekend. Point out, meaning to show or mention something. Example, she pointed out a mistake in my essay. Bend down, meaning to lower your body by bending at the knees or waist. Example, he bent down to tie his shoelace. Hang out, meaning to spend time relaxing or socializing. Example, we hung out at the park all afternoon. Bring up, meaning to mention or introduce a topic. Example, don't bring up politics at dinner. Put off, meaning to delay or postpone something. Example, I put off doing the dishes until tomorrow. Look into, meaning to investigate or examine. Example, the manager will look into your complaint. Spill, meaning to accidentally drop liquid or other substances. Example, he spilled coffee on his shirt. Wipe up, meaning to clean a liquid or mess with a cloth or towel. Example, please wipe up the juice before it stains. Bring back, meaning to return something or cause someone to remember something. Example, she brought back my book after a week. Run out, meaning to have no more of something. Example, she ran out of milk while making tea. Plug in, meaning to connect an electrical device to a power source. Example, she plugged in her laptop to charge it. Talk over, meaning to discuss something before making a decision. Example, she talked it over with her friend before buying the phone. Go over, meaning to review or check something carefully. Example, she went over her homework before submitting it. Drop by, meaning to visit briefly without a formal invitation. Example, she dropped by her grandma's house after school. Say goodbye, meaning to part ways or express farewell. Example, she said goodbye to her classmates at the end of the year. Head off, meaning to leave or begin a journey. Example, she headed off to school early this morning. Kick off, meaning to begin something, especially an event or activity. Example, let's kick off the meeting with a quick game. Chill out, meaning to relax and not get upset or anxious. Example, you need to chill out after that stressful exam. Follow through, meaning to complete a task or plan you started. Example, you must follow through with your promises. Doze off,
meaning to fall asleep, usually unintentionally. Example, he dozed off during the boring lecture. Give up, meaning to stop trying. Example, don't give up, you're almost there.
Show up, meaning to arrive at a place. Example, she showed up late to the party. Turn on, meaning to activate a device or machine. Example, can you turn on the lights?
Check in, meaning to register at a hotel or airport. Example, we checked in at the hotel at p.m. Fill out, meaning to complete a form or document. Example, please fill out this application. Take off, meaning to leave the ground, airplane, or to leave quickly. Example, the plane took off on time. Calm down, meaning to become relaxed or less angry. Example, calm down, everything is going to be okay. Figure out, meaning to solve or understand something. Example, I can't figure out this math problem. Throw away, meaning to discard something. Example, don't throw away that paper, it's important.
Come across, meaning to find something by chance. Example, I came across my old photos yesterday. Get along, meaning to have a friendly relationship. Example, do you get along with your new classmates?
Check out, meaning to leave a hotel or to examine something. Example, we checked out at noon. Check out this cool gadget. Back up, meaning to support or move backwards to save data. Example, always back up your files. Which phrasal verb was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more fun lessons like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new English boost with me, Anam. See you in the next video.